Welcome to this tutorial on Asset Management Module of Swift Cloud ERP. My name is David and I'll be leading this tutorial. In this session, I'll guide you through how to effectively track, manage, and monitor your organizational assets using our system. You agree with me that managing assets across different locations and departments can be challenging, especially when it comes to maintaining accurate record, tracking usage, and ensuring accountability. This module is designed to simplify that process by giving you real-time visibility and control over all your assets in one place. In this tutorial, you will learn how to register assets, monitor their status, track movement, track depreciation, and generate useful reports for better decision making. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently manage your assets and manage a well-organized system. So to begin, once you've logged into your Swift Cloud account, you go by the left under the menu, you see your assets management. You click on it. The first thing you need to do is to create asset categories, and you can do that by clicking on the asset categories as a sub menu under the asset management module. From there you can click create. So you create your categories, whether tangible asset or intangible asset. The asset account, however, we can see that we already have some existing here, but in a case where you want to create your own asset account, you can do that from the accounting module. So let's go back a bit. You go to the accounting module, you go to the chart of accounts. From the chart of accounts, if you look at the top right, you see other accounts. So by clicking on it, you have these options. We have all active accounts, both active and inactive. We have assets, liability, equity, revenue, and express accounts. You can easily create a new account by clicking on create new. When you click on create new, you indicate the name of the account code or number, currency that's going to be used. Then you can see we have account types here. We have asset, accounts receivable, assets, prepaid expenses. We have asset inventory, plant and machinery. So you just pick one based on the type of assets that you're working with. So let's go back to the asset management. So remember, I said the first thing you need to do is to create your asset categories. You can see we already have our intangible and tangible assets created. We have categories, yes, we have non-tangible and tangible as part of the categories. Then you can go down to the asset list. Under the asset list, you can create assets based on the individual type of assets that you have. It could be office fittings, say chairs, tables. It can be accessories like your laptops. It could be your AC. It could be larger items like vehicles, cars, trucks, trailers. Whatever is available can be created here. So let's say you want to create an asset. You can see create new by the top right. Click on it. Then let's say we want to create tractor. You can give it a code, say 009. Okay, farm harvester. Okay, location, where is it located? Say Abuja. For this location, if you have multiple branches, you can just indicate the branch where it is located. You can see asset type, we have vehicle and we have others. A tractor is a vehicle, so let's use vehicle for it. Color, say red. dimension. Okay, so dimension, let's just say 600 centimeters. Weight, let's say 2000. In custody of now, this gives you the opportunity to indicate who is in charge or who is in possession of that item. So let's just use one random name here. So how much did you purchase it? Let's say we got it for 50 million naira. So you put the figures without comma. Salvage value. Salvage value indicates how much will it be worth at the end of its lifetime. So let's say it's going to be worth 20 million at the end of usage. Okay, these cash slash bank accounts, from which account was this item purchased? You click on it. Lifespan, how long will it last? Let's say it's going to go on for 10 years. 10 years times 12, that's 120 months. Category, say asset tangible asset. Date of purchase, say we bought it January 1st. Do you want it to calculate your depreciation? So if you want it, then you just click on post depreciation and create. So looking at the item list, we can see our tractor, we can see that it's active, we can see the location, we can see the dates of purchase, see the price, see the salvage value, then lifespan tree of 120 months. The depreciation is depreciates by, okay, I think I made a mistake when I put in the figure, the salvage value. I wrote 2 million instead of 20 million, but it will still calculate the depreciation for me. You can see it has depreciated by 1.2 million in the span of 3 months. Also, you can click on the tractor to see what's available. You can see we have income slash expenses accruing to the asset. You can click on the income. Let's say you rented it out, that could be an income. You put the amount and add record. Then expenses, we can see maintenance. You can set maintenance for it under the department, under the technical department. You can just be booking appointment for maintenance. So I think that's it for the assets management module. Thank you and have a lovely day.